This tutorial is for this very easy, beginner-friendly bucket bag I called Panama bag. The whole pattern is made up of the basket weave stitch. It may look intimidating, but I'm assuring you that it's very easy to make. It has a repetitive pattern, and you will be done in a few hours. I used the milk cotton yarn and then a 5mm hook. Using a sports weight yarn and a 5mm hook, make a magic circle, chain 1, and make 7 single crochet inside the circle. Make a slip stitch to close the circle. On the next round, chain 1, make 2 SC in each SC and slip stitch at the end of the round. Chain 1, make 1 SC on the next SC, and then increase on the next. End the round with slip stitch. On the next round, chain 1, make 2 SC on the next 2 SC, and then increase on the third. We will end it with a slip stitch. On this round, chain 1, make 1 SC and then increase on the next. Then make 3 SC on the next 3 SC, then increase. Do this until you have 2 SC left. We will make 2 SC on the last 2 and slip stitch to end the round. Chain 1, 4 SC on the next 4, and then increase. Repeat this until the end of the round and slip stitch. Chain 1, SC in the next 2 SC, and then increase. Repeat this until the end of round and slip stitch. Chain 1, SC on the next, and then increase. Then do 7 SC on the next 7. Repeat until the end of the round and slip stitch. This will be the last round for the bottom of the bag. Chain 1, make 8 SC, and then increase on the next. Repeat this around and slip stitch at the end. I did not fasten this off because I wanted to use it to close the bag later on. We will now start the side of the bag. I used the basketweave stitch for this bag. Loosely chain 84 chains. This is a trick I use to prevent long chains from twisting. It will make it way easier to close the round later on. Chain 3, and then make a double crochet all around. End with a slip stitch on the top of chain 3. Make a slip stitch at the end of the round, and then chain 3. To create a basket weave pattern, we will alternate making front post double crochet and back post double crochet. Let's make the front post first. We do the front post by inserting hook in between the posts of the previous round, and then yarning over, then making your normal double crochet. Make 6 of these, and then we will do the back post double crochet. This is how the front post double crochet looks. We will now make the back post double crochet. It's basically the same as the front post, but this time we insert the hook from the back. Do 6 of these as well. We can now see how the pattern looks. We just have to repeat this until the end of the round. Repeat the last row for 2 more rounds. I forgot to mention earlier that we slip stitch to close the round and then chain 2 to begin the next round. To create the basket weave pattern, we will now create the opposite of what we did in the last round. If it was a front post, then we will do a back post double crochet. Same as the previous round, we will make 6 back post double crochet and then 6 front post crochet. Do this every 3 rounds to get the basket weave pattern. Continue doing the pattern until you reach the round 22. As you can see, I had to start over because I wanted to use a solid colored yarn instead of the previous one I used. This one shows up the pattern nicely compared to the other yarn I used. So let's get back to it. After reaching round 22, we will now make the edging. On the first round of the edging, just follow the previous round's pattern, but doing it in single crochet. On this round, slip stitch, chain 1, and then do a normal single crochet for 2 more rows. On the last row, we would do 1 slip stitch all around. Fasten off, we are now ready to attach the bottom half, and then the handles. The bottom panel is made smaller than the body, so it will be a little tricky to attach it. We will be attaching the bottom panel on the wrong side. Make sure you line them up properly. Insert hook on the body and pull up a loop. Insert it again on the next, pull up another loop. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Next, insert the hook on the body and insert it again on the bottom panel. Make single crochet. Do this for 5 stitches. We will do another decrease of the body. Insert hook on the body, insert again on the bottom panel, then insert the hook on the body only. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Just keep repeating the 5 single crochet and 1 decrease all around. Now let's make the straps. We will be making 2 straps, one is short and the other is longer. For the longer strap, chain 58. Make 4 rows of single crochet. To make the straps neater, we will make a frame around it. Chain 1, make a slip stitch until the end of the row. Then chain 1, then make 4 single crochet on the sides. Chain 1, then do slip stitch on the other side until you reach the end of the row. Ending this with 4 single crochet on the other side. Fasten off. Repeat the whole thing with the shorter straps, but beginning with 32 chains only. Line the straps where you would want them and begin sewing it in. Make sure that the front strap and the back straps are aligned. Using a darning needle, sew the straps in however you like them. To make it sturdier, you have to sew the middle part as well. Weave in the ends and we're done. Thanks for watching. Bye!